Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this. It's a 2014 model, this one, Vauxhall Agila, same as the Suzuki Splash as well. But it's the same on all models from about 2008 on. Just turn the ignition on there and just see we've got the inspection light. Now the first thing we're going to do is start with the ignition off, and then you want to press and hold this button there while turning the ignition on. Just do that quick now. Keep that button depressed, you'll see it start to flash, then you get some lines appear. Release the button and turn the ignition back off, back on again, and that's all reset. So a nice easy one on that. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.